right, everyone. Time for another Q&A session. This first one is from Sam, and he says, I also remember while reading Market Wizards, one of the interviewees made the comment that the best thing you could do to learn the business was to find a mentor. I thought to myself, great, where am I going to find someone like that? I'm not even close to this business, let alone know anyone I could trust, or know anyone I would trust. When I signed up for the Insider Code, a little voice was saying that maybe you were the guy. I have not been disappointed. May God richly bless you, Sam. Sam, I really appreciate that. In fact, I was on today with Charles, and he's one of the crew members from New York, and one of the reasons why I love New York and New Yorkers is, there's a sense of brutal honesty there, which I really enjoy. I find that refreshing. And while I try not to be brutal about it, I really do appreciate the honesty. And Charles was reiterating what I believe it was Robert said yesterday. Charles was echoing it, that there's definitely a responsibility. I understand that people may be looking for someone to mentor them when it comes to the markets, and I appreciate that you've not been disappointed, Sam. I'm really glad. Next one up is from John. He says, thank you for providing us with such a thorough course. I have a question regarding the 3 raids. After my first try of 3 raids today on my demo account, I started thinking, since the market is relatively quiet before the news announcement, can I place even tighter stops like 10 to 15 pips for greater profit if I'm putting the orders a few minutes before the news announcement, or would this be too aggressive? Well, you do have to watch out for the spread, and let me say this, that my primary objective is to make sure that you don't get caught when they widen the spread. Okay, so let's say, for example, that we were looking at placing a 3 raids trade right here. So the bid is at 2.0481, and the ask would be at 2.0482 on my trading platform. Yours might be as high as 2.0486. But either way, okay, so you place an order and you're in the marketplace. Well, if it's a big news announcement, which that's what we're following here, what will happen is, as the market could trade along just fine, nothing's happening, and right on the news announcement, doesn't matter what it is, all of a sudden the ask goes to 2.0500, and the bid goes down to 2.0460. Now that's an extreme example, where here you've got a 40-point spread, right? Well, the brokers do this because they know that they can catch stops, number one, and number two, they know that a bunch of people are going to be trying to get in the market. So a more realistic example would probably be something like this. Let me erase all this. 2.0496, so the ask would go up by 10, 2.0471, so you've got, in essence, a 25 pip spread. Okay, that's very, very common for the different currency pairs. Now with the pound, what I've seen is that the spread will typically stay between, say, 10 and 15 pips. So you'll see the market maker go up to 2.0489, so they'll push this up by 7, 2.0474. So then now you've got a total, I hope I did my math right. This is why I don't do math when I'm recording. Total of 14 pips. Okay, so part of the reason why you don't want to get a stop in there at 10 to 15 pips